Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I can show you how to change shading quality in Warhammer Speed Freeks. Shading quality affects the complexity and realism of lighting and shadows. So firstly, to change the quality, you should click on E button or click on gear icon on the top part of your screen. Afterwards, just choose Settings. And here in Graphics, just scroll down and find here shading quality. It's here. Not the shadow quality, but shading quality. And here we can choose between epic, high, medium, low. I should choose epic. So choose your level and click space. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.